Hey guys, I'm back on the video, and today I've got my new keyboard that I ordered online today. And if you want to see a preview, this is what it is right here. It's coming right here. And I know I don't have a full gaming setup yet, and I hope to get a PC later on, maybe for my birthday or something, but I'm going to be reviewing the keyboard and seeing how it works, and seeing it, so, for the first time. I just got home from my dad's house, and I ordered it at my dad's house because I worked a little bit for money. Okay. You get the real box out of this little wrapping. And this is a 65% keyboard. And this is the box right here. This is the box. It's a RedDragon. And that's the brand of it, a RedDragon. And here goes nothing, really. So I'm going to be unboxing it my best. I'm going to try to give you the best angles I can. Oops. I didn't mean to do that, but I'm going to try to give you the best angles that I can to show you keyboard. That's how it does. Yeah. So it goes. Okay. 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 Take it out of its thing. Okay. This is the boxing right here. This is I got the all white version of it. Let's go back here really quick. I'm gonna take it out and put the box right here. And then, so this is the USB cable right here. It's a USB right here, and we just take this off for the USB. And then, yeah, and then that's the cable. Okay, and then this is the keyboard itself right here. And I'm going to take it up. Ooh, it sounds good. I'll give you a test, a sound review too also. It sounds. This is a keycap puller, so I could take the keycaps off if I wanted to change it. Okay, and we got this little sticker that comes with it. And then here is the keyboard. Let me take it out of, let me take the little plastic off of it, off of the little, oops, sorry. Let me take the little plastic off of it, off of the cord that plugs in to your PC, or whatever you plug it into. This might take a second, hold on, sorry. Okay. Okay, cut it off. Okay. This is weird. Just rip it off. There we go. There we go, guys. Okay. Now, okay. The moment of truth. Plug it in here. And here's the starting. And this is the beginning of it. This is how it looks at the beginning. And if this is the first mode, and if you want to change it, just press here and insert. And then now, when you type, it does different things. And if you want to go a different one, you press insert again. And it blinks, I think. Nope, it goes back to normal. Yeah, and then there's this, where it has the modes right here. And then this is, insert. This is cool too. It like does this little thing. And the next mode, you press FN, insert again. It's this. I think to change the color, you go back, you press this. And you could change how bright you want it too. Which I want mine bright, so I think to change the speed, you can change the speed of it too. So if you want it lower, you just press this, back. Slower, change it higher, you go here. And the next one I think is this. Yeah. It just goes around in circles. Yes. And the next one I think is, okay, this is the normal one, and then, oh, it flashes a little bit. The next one is this. This one, okay. The next one is this one, I think. Gotta find it. I get it. I like this one the most. Yeah, I think that's most of the modes. You can change how fast you want it. And everything. So yeah, that's my keyboard. And looks pretty good. I'll change the okay. It's looking good. It sounds pretty good. This keyboard is a RedDragon, and then it has, I don't remember fully, but, and if you want a sound test, I don't know the best way I can give it to you, but I could do this right here. I don't know. Hopefully you can hear this. I'm just gonna try to do this. Let's see if you can hear. I just do this. This is what it sounds like. Me. So yeah, that's the sound test, and that is mostly my keyboard that I just got. So yeah, that is mostly the keyboard, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.